our silver status for 3 months in a year.
And of course, you can state your name, city and occupation, and why you're doing the business for 2 minutes. Okay. Ayan. So, there are all
Ayan, hindi na
ladies.
sila Chad mag-hold ng mic. So for now, ako muna.
Okay.
Please join us. Okay.
I am Zinaida Magalso Pabunan. I am a retired private employee of our electric cooperative in the province of Lanao del Norte. I just retired 9 months ago. I was holding the topmost managerial position before I retired. And I am building this business because I believe in the company. And there is always, I believe in the saying that in the books of Proverbs, there is always time for everything. And this is already my second try because when I first signed up, that was in 2015. So now, I try this business and I am happy that I consider it a blessing for joining Amway. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Josa from Lanao del Norte. I built this business with my mother, was New Platinum Lorna Sarmiento, as an obedient daughter, and her dream is my dream also, and for us to live together in a future with stability and financial freedom, and to travel the world together. Thank you.
Congratulations.
I am Lilia Pimentel Tonggol from Tubod, Lanao del Norte. I am a retired employee also. From like Ian, we are workers from previous years. I am now one of the board of directors of our electrical of Lanao del Norte. I built this business because I know that this will help our family and of course financial freedom as well. Thank you.
All right, let's go for our new
Gold producers! Once again, Ms. Naida and Felix Pabunan, Carmen Black Sarmiento, and Lilia Pimentel Tongon. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Okay, now this is